Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials: a high-resolution photo and a duplicate layer so you can always revert. Once done, launch Gemini and use the Subject Selection tool. Make a precise mask around the person to separate clothing from background. You should refine edges and feather 0.52px to avoid hard lines. Now that the subject is isolated, lock the background layer and save a working copy. This prevents accidental changes and keeps your workflow clean while you swap garments. Next, pick the replacement dress. Import a garment image or use Gemini's garment generator to create one that matches pose and lighting. You must scale and rotate to match body proportions, then use transform and warp tools to fit contours. This keeps seams natural. Once aligned, use multiply or overlay blend modes and add a soft mask to reveal or hide edges. This integrates texture and color. Make sure to check collar, sleeves, and overlaps so the new dress reads as part of the original photograph. To finish, match lighting and color so the dress feels real. You should adjust curves, HSL, and selective color to match skin and ambient light. Once done, paint subtle shadows where fabric meets body using low-opacity brushes. Then add highlights to reflect existing light sources. This creates depth. Finally, inspect edges at 100% zoom, flatten a copy for export, and save the layered file. If colors look off, revisit white balance and recheck shadow direction. Consistent light fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.